Sri Matre Namaha. I am Dr. Kollur Krishna from Moogambika Devasthanam. Today's Panjangam, 12th April 2026, Sunday, Painguni Masam 29th, Vishwasnama Samvalsaram, Uttarayanam, Shishirado, Painguni Masam, that is Meena Masam, Krishna Paksham, Tithi up to 10:29 p.m. Dashami, then Ekadashi, Sunday, Bhanuvasaram, Nakshatram up to 12:35 p.m. Tiruvona Nakshatram, then Avittam. Today's Rahu Alam 4:30 to 6 p.m. Yamagandam 12 to 1:30 p.m. Guligalam 3 to 4:30 p.m. Good time 9 to 10:30 a.m. then 3 to 4:30 p.m. Today's Chandrashtam for Midra Rashi Prayachittam Jangari Sradhatadi Dashami. Today Shravana Vradam. Om Sri Matre Namaha.